Zap, what are you doing?
A little of this, a little of that.
You got this tacked in?
Tacked in, but what's gonna happen when I go weld this thing?
Yeah.
It's gonna distort.
Yep.
Heck.
You can guarantee it.
So I was thinking, putting a piece of flat stock onto here with the same shape of the quarter, so it holds the quarter as I weld. I was thinking 16 inches flat stock, give it the shape of the quarter panel, tack it onto the quarter, and we'll go from there.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
You really know how to read a tape measure? You know most people don't.
I think so.
No, really. All right, then. Let's say you got 16 inches. What's the next? And you have the one line. Let's say going by this, because there's other things. Going by this, what's the next line? Let's say you got 16 inches and one line.
16 and 1/16.
Right. And the next one?
1/8.
What is the next sized line from an eighth?
Quarter.
And the next one?
Half.
And then?
And then 3/4.
Okay. Because most
I'm not
people,
that bad. You know,
I know 50-year-olds that can't read that thing.
This is half, right? So
Yeah.
on new tape measures, they'll put the number half. You don't need that.
No, you're supposed to know.
Just
It makes you special.
like calipers and all that, they're electric now and they're digital. You don't need that.
What's the next size down from a 16th? Let's say it's between like where 16 inches and then the first line. It's a
30
little
second.
small. Huh?
32nd. Come on, I'm not that bad. Come on.
Okay. So what's the next size from 32nd?
64th.
You know 64 too, huh?
Well, you don't really use it in the automotive business. You
No,
don't go.
stuff like this,
you don't go past 16.
If you do
16.
machine work and stuff, you can.
Well, yeah.
Some people say that this is a very raw way of measuring. That inches is a very raw way of measuring. It's not. It just keeps going. And when you do auto body, well, new cars are metric. So
Yeah.
if you're gonna do your measurements, you put it in a frame rail, and you got to get your cross measurements and stuff like that. It's gonna go by metric.
Right. And the bottom of the tape measure is metric on this. See?
And that's rare, because usually they're not. The Lincoln tape measures has both. It has inches, and it has metric on the other side. So you got your millimeters, centimeters, decameters, meters, and all that stuff. Everything goes by 10.
Speaking
It's
of
the easiest thing to read
people,
is metric. The easiest thing.
Right.
You can eat cereal, you can read.
Metric.
You got your measurements and everything?
Yeah, 16 inches.
Go cut the metal. Here. 16, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, now you gotta shape it. You gotta give it a radius, right? See here and here. So you gotta radius it.
So we're gonna put a couple tacks underneath. It'll hold the quarter. It won't cause
This will warp
distortion.
so bad. Like you can go surfing on this. You know, remember we were setting them up to weld on the other side. What was it? Like 17?
15 and 115.
Yeah, even less. 110. I want to catch it a little lower. This is coming right back off. Alright, now we can weld everything up. How you looking?
Alright, I'm gonna cut this off next.
Alright, cut that off and
I'll cut that off.
your lower quarters on. All hand fabricated.
Yep. Good.
Yes. There's absolutely zero distortion on it. Now grind all these
Good.
things.
Yep.
It's perfect.
You'll be
Even
good to go.
from top to bottom, everything. Nice, not bad.
Doesn't
No
go in,
distortion
no
whatsoever.
Distortion, no nothing.
Up here, this was the problem. Just gotta weld this.
Hold that
in here.
closed, but
And that's it.
you're looking good.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.